Alright, what we're going to do today is we're going to put a LED headlights or LED bulb for my truck. And here's the LED I order. This particular vehicle, mostly Dodge, Chrysler, they have a very sensitive light system. What happened is that if you just put this direct to the headlight plugs, you're gonna have an issue with the lights. Either it will blink or you have a dash warning at in your dashboard. So to eliminate that issue, you're gonna have to have this canvas EMC, right? So that's what it says over there, LED headlights decoder. You're gonna need this for this particular car, or if you have Chrysler or anything like that, so you don't have issue with your LED light. So it's this is what it look like. So this so I believe this connector goes here, and this other connector goes to the car. It's very simple application, but it can be a headache if you don't have a proper parts. So let's open the trunk, the hood. So let me, so you're gonna go, okay, so let's I believe this plug here is the low beam, high beam. So there's actually two lights in one bulb. This one here. So to remove the plug, you gotta have to pull this. You gotta have to pull this red tab here. This red tab, you have to pull it out, and then you can press this lock here down, right? So now I completely took it out. So now I can press this down and then pull the plug out. There you go. So now the plug is out, or the bulb. Okay. So so there's actually, in one bulb there's a low beam and high beam, right? So I believe this one also comes with the low beam and high beam. I thought it was only low beam, but it's actually low beam and high beam. So let's put it in. But first, we're gonna have to plug this first. so that we're not gonna have a hard time later. Okay, so let's plug this in. So this is very basic application. All I have to do just I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So now all it needs is just to plug it in here to the existing plug, and that's it. It should light up. Okay, finally got it in. This plug, the original plug and the LED plug, is really hard to put it in for some reason. So I really have to force this in there to get it in. So yeah, be warned about that. And let's try it. So here it is. LED light versus regular light. Xenon bulb. LED. Right? So let's try the high beam. Alright, so all the bulb now is installed. So let's try it. Okay, that's a low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Not too bad, right? So all it needs now is to I'm going to re-clear the headlights to make it even more shinier. But yeah, that's it. LED bulb is done. Thank you for watching.